Hi YouTube. I just wanted to share something with you. So excited, right? These are my new dies. Those were £6 book making. These are Sizzix dies. Sorry it's hard to see in here. These were £4 and I cut these out on my electric die cutting machine and I want to show you what I've made. Sorry. So the light's so bad in here. I just finished making these two books. They're so gorgeous. Mini, look, so small. And this is the binding that came with that £6 die. And designer paper, Velcro stick-on dots, my Xyron packaging tape, my sidekick, and designer paper, double-sided tape, mini stapler with staples, and these are just some of the tools I've used to make these. Oh, they're so cute. Look, oh god, it's so nice. Oh my god, this is such an adorable project. I've just finished making this one, so I'll just show you. 1 second. So I'm using one hand to film with and one hand to show you, so it's going to be a bit tricky. So these are bound together with the binding strap. This is just card and then held down with Velcro dots. That's my first one, and I got a holographic sticker there. If you can see it, just a bit there, heart shape. On my niece's birthday is coming up soon, so I'm designing something for her. Also, my birthday is coming up soon, so I'm designing something for myself. So this is just a holographic on the Sizzix dies, and instead of using my Xyron sticker maker, I decided to use packaging tape because you can get so much of it for a lot cheaper. And I just wanted to try it, and you can still see the holographic design of the bird and stuff. So, and this just is bound together, held together. First I used twine to hold the book together. This is old cardstock, thick heavy cardstock. Then I took the twine out and just used the elastic band. Can you see there? It's bound together with elastic band there. I know it's not pretty, but the twine wasn't really working out for me, so I got rid of it. Sorry about my croaky voice. And then this one's held together with staples, and this is designer paper all the way through, and this is designer paper on the outside, and then printer paper on the inside. So 1 second, I'll just show you. Okay. So I'll just put this together now, and I have to design a better way of sticking. I got two signatures in here, let's see, held together with a stapler, small stapler, and then put together there. I've got two signatures in here, but it's stuck with sellotape instead of glue. But there, I'm going to carry on making these, so the next one's going to be stuck with glue. They're bound together with tape, but that will be all covered with work and other nice stickers and craft things. So So sorry about my croaky voice, but I just wanted to share this with you. It's so much fun. I'm enjoying it immensely, and I'm gonna carry on making some more, all different designs and styles and etc. I don't know if that comes right. Especially like these for putting the book together. Holding everything in place and together. Sorry about my croaky voice. And happy birthday to myself and my niece. We're July babies. Oh my god, I love this so much, this. You wouldn't think I would get so much fun from a strap. Indeed. So funny. And Velcro stick on. This is from Amazon. Yeah, 24 I think. It's very, very, very good. Okay, take care. See, rate this if you like it, and I've got other mini books in there that I'm going to put together, but not just yet. Oh, sorry, I wanted to show you my art as well. Look, I made this yesterday. I like to do different things on different days, but still type of paper craft, inking and stuff like that. And this one. Okay, I gotta go now because the tape's running on, and I'll see you. Take care. Bye. Rate this if you like my idea. Thank you. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.